Hello, good morning, students. Let us revise the chapter Nationalism in India. The First World War. Chapter starts with the First World War and its impact on Indian society. The First World War played an important role in shaping India's freedom struggle and developing new modes of struggle in the following ways. Increase in defense expenditure due to the war led to the increase in taxes, custom duties, prices, and the introduction of the war loans. During the war, prices increased dramatically, almost doubled, which led to extreme hardship and hunger. Next, poverty and forced recruitment in the army made people hostile to the British rule. During 1918 and 19 and during 1920 to 21 means the period from 1918 to 1921, food shortages due to the failure of crops and famines and epidemic that took a heavy toll of life created a resentment among the people of India against the foreign rule. Satyagraha. This was the time when Gandhiji, along with the idea of Satyagraha, entered in the Indian politics. He came to India from South Africa. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and need to search for truth. It suggested that if the cause was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppressor. Mahatma Gandhi believed Satyagraha could unite all the Indians. Applications of Gandhiji's Satyagraha. In 1916, Gandhiji organized a satyagraha against oppressive plantation system in Champaran. In 1917, Gandhiji led a satyagraha in Kheda district of Gujarat, demanding relaxation of the revenue tax owing to the poverty experienced by the farmers because of outbreak of plague and crop failure. In 1918, Gandhiji organized a satyagraha against the cotton mill workers in Ahmedabad. Then, the condition was not in favor of Indians. During this time, in 1919, the Rowlatt Act was passed by the British government. This act gave the government enormous power for repressing political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners for 2 years without any trial. Opposition. On 6th of April 1919, Gandhi started the non-violent civil disobedience movement for oppressing the Rowlatt Act with a nationwide hartal. Shops were closed down on that day. Rallies were organized and rail workshops workers went on strike. On 10th of April 1919, in Amritsar, widespread attacks on bank, post offices, and railway stations took place. How did this Britishers respond to these acts? Government brutally repressed the nationalists. Martial law was imposed and General Dyer took the command. Jallianwala Bagh massacre that took place on 13th April 1919. A number of people had assembled at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar for attending the annual Baisakhi fair. General Dyer surrounded the park and opened fire on the crowd, killing hundreds of people. Aftermath of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, crowds took to the streets in many North Indian towns. Strikes, clashes with the police, and attacks on the government buildings were extensively witnessed. The British used brutal repression seeking to humiliate and terrorize the people. People were flogged and villages were bombed. This violence forced Gandhiji to stop the movement. Non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement started by Mahatma Gandhi in January 1921. The movement started in January 1921. Various social groups participated in this movement. Each social group had their own aspiration, but all fought together for Swaraj. But the team, but the term meant differently from group to group. What were the causes? Khilafat issue. First one was the Khilafat issue. After the Rowlatt Satyagraha, Mahatma Gandhi felt to launch a more broad based movement. So he took up the Khilafat issue. The First World War had ended with the defeat of Ottoman Turkey. There were rumors that a harsh treaty would be imposed on Khilafat. So, a Khilafat committee was formed in March 1919 to defend the Khilafat temporal powers. Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act, the dissatisfaction from the Rowlatt Act and the failure of the Rowlatt Satyagraha. And third one was Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The atrocious killing of hundreds of innocent people by the British Jallianwala Bagh had made the Indian masses resentful toward the British rule. Now, the methods which were used during the non cooperation movement: surrendered government titles, boycotted civil rights, armies, police, courts, and legislative councils, school, and foreign goods. And if the British government used repression, a full civil disobedience campaign would be launched. Disagreements means all the congressmen were not in favor of this movement. So some points were there. Few Congress members were not in support of the idea of boycotting the council elections as they wanted to bring about changes in the system by being in power. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru formed the Swaraj Party within the Congress to argue for a return to council politics. Some leaders feared the movement turned to violent. Some important events during the non-cooperation movement were: Khilafat Committee was formed with the leaders such as Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali in March 1919 in Bombay. Mahatma Gandhi in Calcutta session of the Congress convinced other Congress leaders of the need to start a non-cooperation movement in support of Swaraj in September 1919. Non-cooperation program adopted by adopted by Congress on December 1920 at the time of Congress session at Nagpur. Non-cooperation movement, or the movement in the town, how it was spread in town. The students left government controlled schools and colleges, headmasters and teachers resigned. Lawyers gave up their legal practices, and the council elections were boycotted in most provinces except Madras. Foreign goods were boycotted, liquor shops picketed, and foreign clothes burnt in huge bonfire. What was the effect of all these? The import of foreign clothes halved, its value dropping from 102 crores to 57 crore. Merchants and traders refused to trade in foreign goods or finance foreign trade. Production of Indian textile mills and handlooms went up. Obstruction faced. What were the problems during the non cooperation movement? Khadi cloth was more expensive than the mass produced milk cloth, and poor people could not afford to buy it. In other words, it was very expensive. So, rebellion in the countryside. How in villages, how in small town people take the non cooperation movement. The peasants had to do begar and work without pay in the farms of oppressive landlords. The peasants' movement demanded reduction of revenue, abolition of begari system, and social boycott of oppressive landlords. In Awadh, the houses of talukdars, means big landowners, and merchants were attacked, bazaars were looted, and grains hoards were taken over in many plazas. Local leaders told the peasants that Gandhiji had declared that no taxes were to be paid and land was to be redistributed among the poor. Nai, Dhobi, Bandhs were organized by the panchayats for depriving landlords of the services of the even barbers and washermen. The Awadh Kisan Sabha was set up and headed by Jawaharlal Nehru, Baba Ramchandar, and few others in October. How was it in Andhra Pradesh? It comes in revolt by tribal community. The government has closed large forest areas, preventing the people from entering the forest to graze their cattle or to collect fuel, wood, and fruits. Alluri Sitaram Raju led the guerrilla warfare in the Gudan Hills of Andhra Pradesh. The rebels attacked the police station, attempted to kill British officials, and carried on guerrilla warfare for achieving Swaraj. Swaraj in plantation. Swaraj in plantation means how the non cooperation spread in the tea garden areas of Assam. Under the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, the plantation workers were not allowed to leave the tea gardens without permission. Thousands of workers defied the authorities, left the plantation, and headed homes. They believed that Gandhi Raj would come and everyone would be given land in their own villages. On February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw the non cooperation movement because of its violent fades in many places. Till then, remaining part of the chapter will be in the next video.